So good afternoon, everybody.
Good
Once again,
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
my
ma'am.
video is clear.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Both video and audio are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Am I a familiar figure for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know me?
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you
I
know
don't
my
know.
name?
I don't know.
How many of you know my name?
Anju.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Okay. So I have 3 instructions before starting the class. Instruction number 1, I know this is the afternoon and you all had your lunch and all, your belly is full, but everybody
Yes,
must sit straight. Instruction 1, all of you keep your posture in a right position. Sit erect, make your backbone straight. Instruction 2, I hope everybody is sitting with a pen and a pencil or a whatever it is, a paper in your hand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. And instruction number 3, all of you mute your audio and switch on your video. Okay? All. Then please mute your audio. Emmanuel, please mute your audio. Iba, all of you, all must mute your audio. One Nokia 2.2 is there. Please rename it. Angelina Rose, please turn on your video. I request Angelina Rose to... Angelina, yes, fine. Now, Joyce, Mohammed Zai, please mute your audio. Advika, mute your audio because I can hear you people all. So it is a disturbance for everybody, whoever is attending this class. Please cooperate and turn off your audio. Thomas, you're sitting outside your home, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let us begin today's session. Before starting my session, I hope that everybody will following my instructions clearly. So my name is Anju B. Menon and today onwards I'm going to teach you English grammar. Okay, my subject is English grammar and my name is Anju B. Menon. Okay, and let me introduce the topic for you. Today we are going to learn, which is not a new topic, but still it's new for you, right? Parts of speech. What is the topic for today?
Part of.
What is a part of speech then? Let me ask you another question. What is a part of speech? Is this word a familiar word for you? This is not new. I know, because you're all
Yes,
learning
ma'am.
all these words all these days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children?
Yes.
Okay, good response. So, my dear children, if I ask you a question, you should give me an answer. Otherwise, how can we interact? I'm talking to you. I cannot talk for long. So, we need to converse. We need to talk between us, right? Right, children? Fine. It's a fine day. So, parts of speech. Do you know what is a part of speech? How many of you know what is a part of speech? I request all the participants to mute your audio. I can hear a lot of disturbance in between. Please mute your Nokia 2.2. I don't know the girl's name. She's wearing a white spotted petticoat. Please rename. Please rename. I request you to rename the device. Yeah, fine. Angelina Rose, also mute your audio. I can hear a lot of disturbances. Fine day, fine day. Okay, my dear children, parts of speech. We can categorize the words in English into 8 classes. I repeat, we can categorize the words in English into 8 classes. How many classes?
8
Classes. How many classes?
8
Classes. Okay. These classifications together are known as parts of speech. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many parts of... So my question to Siana Jafar. Siana, please unmute your audio. Siana, on your video,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute your audio. And how many parts of speech are there in English grammar? Do you have any idea?
8.
Very good. There are 8 parts of speech. Can you name it? At least 4 from that. Siana Jafar, please name any 4 parts of speech. What is the use of parts of speech? What is the job of a part of speech in English language? Do you know that? So my dear children, we are classifying these words under different categories because of the different functions in a sentence. We are talking English, right? Not only English, even we are talking Malayalam.
Yes.
We are talking Hindi. We are speaking a lot of different
Yes.
languages, right? So
Yes.
all these languages, the word,
Yes.
if it is not properly said, it cannot be understanding, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. If I come here and
Yes.
I'm using a word, Anju, name is I. What, any sense? No, it's utter nonsense. It's not a grammatically perfect sentence, right? So in order to make a smooth communication, in order to converse with someone, we need the proper sequential arrangement of words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my dear children, for that we categorize, or we can categorize the English words into the 8 classes. The first class of this is known as nouns. What are they?
Noun.
Nouns. Do you know what is a noun?
Yes.
Noun is
What is a noun?
word.
A special naming of a word.
Naming words. Nouns are naming words. It is
Naming
easy
words.
to remember, right? Noun,
Yes, ma'am.
name. So nouns are naming words.
Naming
Nouns,
Naming words.
so names are, so nouns are
Nouns are naming words.
naming words.
Naming words.
Maybe it may be a name of a person. It may be a name of a place, name of an animal, name of a thing, name of an idea, or that means abstract nouns. Idea means honesty, right? Honesty,
Yes.
right? Right? Wisdom, right?
Yes.
All these are some of the abstract nouns, right?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear children, so nouns, nouns, names, names, naming words. Am I clear?
Yes.
Am I clear, children? So
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
name of a person, place, thing, idea, or event. Independence Day, right? Independence Day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. So these are called noun. There are different categories of noun. I know that. I know that you know it very well. Proper nouns are there. Common nouns are there. Then material
Collective
nouns are
noun.
there. Collective nouns are there. There are many different kinds of nouns, right? So it
Yes,
can be a
ma'am.
name of a person. Name of a person. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Speak louder.
Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi.
The Chief Minister of Kerala.
Narendra Modi.
Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala?
What, ma'am? I can hear you.
Am I audible to you all? Am I audible to you all?
Yes. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Yeah, Pinarayi Vijayan, Chief Minister of Kerala. Okay, so just leave it. So these are the names. See, if I say, I'm going to give you an example. Mount Everest. It is a mountain name, right? It is a noun. It is a name, right? I can hear a lot of disturbances. Please mute your audio, children. Thomas, Mohammed, and no one, Siana Jafar. Please mute it. Please mute your audio. Please mute it. Okay, fine. Ananthan Raj, please mute it.
Yes.
Please mute your audio. Mohammed, please switch on your video. Edwin, turn on your video. Siana Jafar, please turn on your video. Angelina Rose, please turn on your video. Paris, Faris Muhammad. I request everybody to turn on your video and mute your audio. If you're not muted, everybody will be getting disturbed. See, I can hear a lot of sound of a fan, crow, some, I don't know. Please mute it. Shrestha.
Ma'am. 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 Excuse me, ma'am. 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 Try again, member. Ma'am. Ma'am. Anju ma'am. Hello. Hi ma'am. Anju ma'am. Excuse me ma'am. Amin. Abhishek.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am. Ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Hello. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. 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 Mommy. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. We cannot see you, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot see you. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We cannot hear you and we cannot see you.
Ma'am, we cannot see you.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you. Ma'am, we cannot see you.
We cannot hear and see.
Hello. Hello, Anju, ma'am.
Hello, Anjali.
Everyone, please be silent. Ma'am, we can't see you, ma'am. Ma'am, we cannot see.
Ma'am, we cannot see, ma'am.
Everyone, please be silent. Anju ma'am will come now. Anju ma'am. Anju ma'am. Everyone, please be silent. Ma'am will come now. Keep quiet. Hello, everyone. Anand, keep quiet.
Good afternoon once again, my dear children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you got the message from Sangeeta ma'am now. You all will be waiting for me to hear my grammar classes very well. So please listen to the performance again. Your video audio. Switch on your participants, the voice of your parents, sisters, brothers, and everybody. Please mute your audio. Anandan Raj, please come.
Can we mute it?
Am I clear now? Am I audible to you now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So we were discussing about the nouns under parts of speech, right? Right, children? Parts of speech, nouns we were discussing. So the next one, nouns we said, nouns, names, and naming words. So it is a noun. So name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, whatever it is coming under the category, the first class called nouns. Second class of part of speech, pronouns. What are they? What are pronouns, children? Do you know what are pronouns? Names are nouns. I'm talking about pronouns now. Pronouns. Can anyone define a pronoun? Pronouns are someone is giving me some examples. He, she, it are coming under the pronoun category. The pronouns are the smallest word unit that we are using to substitute noun in a sentence. Prayag is a smart boy. Right? Prayag is a smart boy. He is going to school every day. Okay, he is going to school. He likes dance. Okay, instead of repeating Prayag all the time in the sentences, I just substituted with pronoun he and his. I like to ride his bicycle. I haven't used I like to ride Prayag's bicycle. Than that I said I like to ride his bicycle. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are using the small words called pronouns to substitute nouns in a sentence in order to avoid repetition. Repeating Prayag, Prayag, Prayag all the time in 2 or 3 sentences. We'll be removing that Prayag and sitting with the pronoun he, his. Clear? Am I clear, children?
Yes.
Am I clear, children?
Yes.
So now I would like to share a small screen for you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, you are always excused. Tell me. Tell me, my dear. Can you see a screen now?
Yes.
Fine, fine. I'll be opening it for you. See the PowerPoint which is actually appearing on the screen?
Yes.
The dots are running on the screen. Wait for a moment. What is a part of speech, Anandaraj? Parts of speech. Can you define a part of speech now? Look at the board and read.
Words is English are
Words in English. Words in English.
is are
Words in English are classified into 8 groups.
Depending upon their function in a sentence.
Depending upon their function. What do you mean by function, my dear children? What do you mean by function?
Their work. Their work.
Job. Function, their job. Some are acting like a noun, some are pronouns, some are verbs, right? So it is totally different. So function means job in a sentence. Am I clear? Function means job in a sentence. Angelina, parts of speech, words in English are classified into 8 groups. Angelina, how many groups? 8 groups. How many groups? 8 groups. Category. The first class is known as nouns, naming words. Okay. First one is nouns, naming words. Can anyone define a noun? Can anyone? I hope.
Ashoka.
Okay, Ashoka was a wise king, right? Ashoka
Yes.
was a wise king.
The wise
Here
king.
in the sentence, Ashoka and king are nouns. Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
Riya is a smart girl. Riya and girl are the nouns used in this arromal. You are not listening. You're biting your nail and not listening to me. Please listen here. So, Ashoka was a wise king. Ashoka and king are the nouns used in the sentence. Riya is a smart girl. Riya is a smart girl. Riya and girl are the nouns used in these sentences. Okay, so this part of speech refers to words. This part of speech refers to words. Tell me. This part of speech refers to words that are used to name persons, things, animals, places, ideas, or events, right? Nouns are the smallest word among the 8 parts of speech. Am I clear? Nouns are the simplest. I'm sorry, nouns are the simplest among the 8 parts of the speech. Am I clear?
Yes. Ma'am, we want to write in the notebook.
If you're getting chance, you can. No. Next is pronoun. This is what we discussed a few minutes before, right? Pronouns.
Yes.
Pronouns are the words that
Ma'am, we
take
need
the
to write
place of nouns in a sentence. What are they? Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in a sentence. Examples of pronouns.
Ma'am, we need to write.
Iba,
I,
example,
it, she,
she, mine, his, hers, we, they, theirs, ours. These are some of the examples of pronouns I have told you. In order to avoid the repetition of a repetition in a sentence, we are using pronouns to replace nouns. Okay, we are replacing nouns with pronouns. Okay, the largest slice is mine. Largest slice is mine. The largest slice is mine. The largest slice is mine. We are number one. We are
number one.
So here in the sentence, we is a pronoun used, right? In the third sentence, you can see 2 pronouns I have written. Look at the red lettered words in the third sentence. He is my cousin brother. Sentence, he and my are the pronouns used. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is a very short class we'll be doing.
Ma'am, we wanted to write in the notebook.
Classes. Don't worry. So today I discussed parts of speech. Parts of speech we can categorize the words in English into different classes. Okay. And why do we need to do this? Because then only we'll be able to frame grammatically perfect, correct sentences. Am I clear?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
we say is nouns, the naming words, and pronouns, the smallest words that we are using to substitute nouns in a sentence in order to avoid the repetition of nouns. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear? Concept is clear?
Yes.
Due to technical issues, we'll be dealing more topics in the coming classes. Okay, I'm planning to wind up today. We are going to end the meeting. Thank you so much for waiting.
Thank you,
patiently for
ma'am.
my class. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, children.